Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about reproductive health. In the earlier chapter, we have discussed about human reproduction. So now let us start with the topic. Reproductive health. You know that even the health of reproductive organs is very important. According to WHO, reproductive health does not only include physical well-being of a person, reproductive organs, but it also includes behavioral, social and mental well-being. So India was the first country to initiate the program of family planning in 1951. After that, improved programs covering wider reproduction related areas were introduced under the heading RCH or Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. Now, the aim and the objective of reproductive and child health care is to provide a reproductively healthy society as such. That is the main objective. Now, RCH covers many other issues which are very much related. Now let us talk about it. It supports and helps, facilitates all such areas, all such things which are actually related with the reproductive issue. Now let us talk about them. What are the goals of RCH? The aim and the objective of RCH is to create reproductively healthy society, and that is the reason it provides and supports, facilitates in creating reproductively healthy society. Now let us study what are the ways through which it achieves its goal. Now first, it provides awareness to the general public with the help of various visuals, with the help of print media. Many government organizations as well as NGO, they participate in spreading the knowledge regarding the reproductive health of a person. Now it covers a very wide area. For example, sex education in schools should be compulsory according to RCH. The adolescent children should not get confused regarding reproductive issues. There are so many myths and misconceptions in their mind that has to be removed. Now, sex abuse is another area where RCH is very serious. Now, in the case of married couples, young couples, those who are married, they should be informed about various kind of contraceptive methods which can be employed so that the family should be able to keep their family small, and they should be informed about the benefits of having a smaller family. Not only this, there are so many other things. For example, there are certain diseases which are related with the sex organs, such as AIDS, hepatitis. These are called as sexually transmitted diseases. Proper information regarding sexually transmitted disease has to be disseminated among the people so that they may be able to know regarding that. There are other issues which is covered by the RCH. Discrimination between the sex, male and female, is creating problems of many kinds. Especially girl child abuse. That has to be removed through awareness programs. Now, Contraceptive methods. Many scientific approach should be made to develop an ideal contraceptive method for the masses in order to control the population growth. Saheli, which has already been created by CDRI Lucknow, is a good example of this. So, scientific research on developing new contraceptive method is also one of the goal of RCH. Now, we have discussed so many things which comes under RCH. So normally RCH is a huge program. Now let us discuss about amniocentesis. Actually, it is a technique in order to know whether a fetus is having any kind of genetic defect or not. It is based on chromosomal pattern in the amniotic fluid surrounding the embryo. That is to know the karyotype of the chromosome. Now people are misusing it in order to find the sex of the child before the birth in the fetus. So there should be statutory ban on amniocentesis as such. Now this is the homework. What is amniocentesis? Write a brief note on reproductive child health care programs. Write the importance of contraceptive pill Saheli. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.